Item 2, County Judge recommends approving the initiative to promote ethics reform and greater transparency for Dallas County. Judge?
Certainly. We got a briefing on this, a couple of typos in there, so let's run through that very quickly if we could. This would call for all court orders and the accompanying contracts to be in a word searchable format and available on the internet. This is not a go-back provision since we don't have a very good way to do that, but going forward, we would have all contracts, and I'd like for us to do that from at least from the time of this new court forward, in a word searchable format, so it's easier for the press and the public to see exactly what we do and exactly what we voted on. The minutes of the Commissioners Court will be available for at least 2 calendar years, and that would exclude any public speaker comments, as well as audio and video for 2 years. And again, that's a go-forward provision, since we didn't have audio and video before, that would be available for at least 2 years, again, excluding the public speaker portion, available online for people to easily search and find what they're looking for. The attendance of each court member would be noted at the establishment of a quorum, that we've already started doing that each week. We would call for all elected officials to, for the posting of all elected officials, financial disclosures, campaign finance reports for the last 2 years online in a searchable format. Currently, that's available if you go to the Elections Department, make a request, give your name. You can get those, but we'd like for those just to be available online so people without giving their name can easily search those. A financial disclosure form listing outside income and potential conflicts of interest on key county employees, and those key employees and county elected officials. The key employees would be the county administrator, assistant administrator, department heads, commissioners court, executive staff, I think. Also, we'd ask a requirement that executive staff who leave government service wait 2 years before working on a matter for remuneration on matters that directly affect or involve Dallas County, and registration of lobbyists to the full extent provided by state law, as well as a prohibition. Well, we can't prohibit because we don't have the authority to do it, but an encouragement and an allowance of people who are bidding on RFPs to sign an addendum on their RFP bid that reads as follows: I will not give a donation to any Dallas County elected official or candidate for office whose office or potential office has an involvement in this bidding process during the pendency of this bid through 30 days after this bid is let.